Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaklio English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy to see you again. How are you all doing today?
I hope you're doing great. So tell me, do you feel cold today?
Oh, yes, it's very cold today. Winter is here.
Exactly, and that's our topic for today. We're going to talk about winter in English.
That's right. Winter is a beautiful season, and today we'll learn how to talk about it in English.
Don't worry, it's very easy and fun. We'll teach you simple words and phrases.
Yes, and you can use them every day. By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about winter like a native speaker.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our lessons.
All right, let's start learning about winter in English. Are you ready?
Let's go.
So let's begin with the basics. What is winter?
Winter is one of the 4 seasons. It comes after autumn and before spring.
That's right. In winter, the weather is cold, very cold.
Yes, and in many places, it snows in winter.
Snow, that's a very important word. Can you say it with me? Snow.
Snow. Great job. Snow is white and falls from the sky in winter.
Children love to play in the snow. They make snowmen.
A snowman, that's so fun. A snowman is made from 3 big balls of snow.
And we put a carrot for the nose and stones for the eyes.
Exactly. Have you ever made a snowman? It's really fun.
Now, let's talk about winter weather. What words can we use?
Good question. We can say, it's cold.
Yes, it's cold is the most common phrase. Repeat after me. It's cold.
It's cold. Perfect. You can also say, it's freezing.
Freezing means very, very cold, like 0 degrees or below 0.
Right, so if someone asks, how's the weather, you can say, it's freezing.
Let me give you an example. Imagine you're outside. You can say, wow, it's freezing today. I need a warm jacket.
That's perfect. Now let's talk about snow again. We can say, it's snowing.
Yes, it's snowing means snow is falling from the sky right now.
Or you can say, it snowed last night. That means snow fell yesterday during the night.
Great, let's practice. Repeat, it's snowing.
It's snowing. Wonderful. And one more, it snowed last night.
It snowed last night. Excellent work. Now, what do we wear in winter? This is very important.
Oh yes, we need warm clothes in winter. Let's learn the vocabulary.
First, we wear a jacket. A jacket is like a coat. It keeps you warm.
You can say, I'm wearing a warm jacket, or I need to put on my jacket.
We also wear a scarf. A scarf goes around your neck.
Yes, a scarf keeps your neck warm. Can you say it? Scarf.
Scarf. Good. We also wear gloves. Gloves keep your hands warm.
Right. And we wear a hat or a beanie on our head.
A beanie is a warm winter hat. It covers your ears too.
And don't forget boots. Winter boots keep your feet warm and dry.
Especially when there's snow on the ground. Boots are very important. So let me ask you, what are you wearing today to stay warm?
Good question. I'm wearing a warm jacket, a scarf, and gloves. What about you?
I'm wearing a beanie, a thick jacket, and winter boots. It's so cold today.
Yes, it's freezing. Now, let's learn some winter activities.
Winter activities. These are things we do in winter for fun.
First activity is ice skating. Ice skating means skating on ice.
Yes, many people go to ice rinks in winter. They put on ice skates and skate.
Have you ever tried ice skating? It's fun, but also a little scary at first.
I know, I fell down many times when I first tried it.
Me too, but it gets easier with practice.
Another winter activity is skiing. Skiing is very popular in countries with mountains.
Yes, people go to ski resorts and ski down the mountains. It's exciting.
You can also go snowboarding. Snowboarding is like skiing, but you use one board instead of 2 skis.
That's right. And for children, sledding is really fun.
Sledding, you sit on a sled and go down a snowy hill. Whee!
It's so much fun. I loved sledding when I was a child.
Me too. And of course, making a snowman. We talked about that earlier.
Yes, or having a snowball fight.
A snowball fight. That's when you make balls of snow and throw them at your friends.
It's like a game, very fun, but be careful not to throw too hard.
Good advice. Now, let's talk about indoor activities. What do we do inside during winter?
Oh yes, because sometimes it's too cold to go outside.
Exactly. In winter, many people stay home and drink hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, that sounds delicious. Hot chocolate is a warm, sweet drink.
Yes, you can say, I'm drinking hot chocolate by the fireplace.
A fireplace, that's a place in your home where you make a fire to stay warm.
Sitting by the fireplace with hot chocolate is so cozy.
Cozy means comfortable and warm. We love cozy winter evenings.
We also watch movies, read books, or spend time with family.
Yes, winter is a great time to stay inside and relax.
Now, let's learn how to talk about temperature. This is useful.
Good idea. So temperature means how hot or cold it is.
We measure temperature in degrees. In most countries, we use Celsius.
In winter, the temperature is usually below 10 degrees Celsius.
Sometimes it's 0 degrees or even -5 degrees.
Minus means below zero, so -5 degrees is very cold.
You can say it's 5 degrees today or it's -2 degrees.
Let's practice. Repeat. It's 0 degrees outside.
It's 0 degrees outside. Perfect.
Now, let's do a role play practice. This will help you learn better.
Great idea. I'll ask you questions about winter and you answer. Then we switch.
Okay, I'm ready. Ask me the first question.
What's the weather like today?
It's very cold today. It's freezing.
Is it snowing?
Yes, it's snowing right now. There's snow everywhere.
What are you wearing to stay warm?
I'm wearing a warm jacket, a scarf, and gloves.
Excellent. That's perfect. Now it's your turn to ask me questions.
Okay, what's your favorite winter activity?
I love ice skating. It's so much fun. What about you?
I like making snowmen and having snowball fights.
That sounds great. Do you like winter?
Yes, I do. I love the snow and the cozy evenings at home.
Me too. Winter is a beautiful season.
Great job, everyone. Did you practice with us? I hope you did.
Now, let's learn a few more useful phrases for winter.
Yes, these phrases will make you sound like a native speaker.
First phrase, bundle up. This means put on warm clothes.
For example, your mom might say, "Bundle up, it's cold outside."
Another phrase, it's chilly. Chilly means a little cold, not freezing.
So, if it's not very cold, you can say, "It's a bit chilly today."
Next phrase, I'm freezing. This means you feel very cold.
You can say, "I'm freezing. Can we go inside?"
And finally, stay warm. This is something you say to wish someone well in winter.
Yes, when you say goodbye in winter, you can say, "Stay warm, see you soon."
Let's practice all of these. Repeat after me. Bundle up.
Bundle up. Good. Next one, it's chilly.
It's chilly. Perfect. Now I'm freezing.
I'm freezing. Excellent. And last one, stay warm.
Stay warm. You did it. Great job.
You are all doing amazing. We're so proud of you for watching and learning with us today.
Now let's talk about some winter holidays. This is interesting.
Yes, in winter we have Christmas in December.
Christmas is on December 25th. Many people celebrate Christmas around the world.
And we also have New Year's Eve on December 31st and New Year's Day on January 1st.
People celebrate with parties, fireworks, and special food.
Winter is a festive time. Festive means full of celebrations and joy.
That's right. Let's learn one more thing. Winter months.
Good idea. Winter has 3 months. Can you guess which ones?
In most countries, winter months are December, January, and February.
December is when winter starts. January is the middle of winter. February is the end of winter.
But remember, in some countries like Australia, winter is in June, July, and August.
That's because they're in the southern hemisphere. The seasons are opposite.
Very interesting. But for most of our viewers, winter is December, January, and February.
All right, let's do one final practice. I'll describe a winter scene and you listen carefully.
Good idea. Here we go. It's a cold winter morning. It's snowing outside. Everything is white.
Children are playing in the snow. They're making a snowman and having a snowball fight.
I'm inside my warm house. I'm wearing my cozy pajamas.
I'm drinking hot chocolate by the fireplace. I'm watching the snow fall from my window.
It's freezing outside, but I'm warm and comfortable inside.
What a beautiful winter day.
Did you understand everything? I hope you did. You're doing great. Wow, we learned so much today about winter in English.
Yes, now you can talk about winter weather, winter clothes, and winter activities.
You learned new words like snow, freezing, scarf, gloves, and many more.
And you learned useful phrases like bundle up and stay warm.
We're so proud of you for watching and learning with us today.
Remember,